Okay. All right, so we're at Applebee's. We have been Christmas shopping all day. How do you feel about that?
I'm tired and I'm hungry.
This is my sister, I'm sure.
And I'm broke now.
We're broke. We broke bitches. Okay, I want you to look at all the good stuff here. We're gonna get, that's what I'm gonna get right there. That is so delicious. Focusing. But we've been to the mall. And we're ready to chow. I gotta fix my hair. We just got back from the mall again, and now we're headed into Red Lobster. Look inside there.
You're probably not even showing anything.
Did you see anything? I'm just like shopped out. My feet are barking, my toes are hurting, everything's hurting. So let's go have some Red Lobster. All right, so what should we have? Everything looks so good. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that, guys. I think I'm gonna get that. Something simple because we definitely want to have dessert afterwards. Got me a nice beverage going on, so we're just gonna eat. All right, I want you to look at that. Oh my goodness. Olivia's already put away about half a dozen biscuits, but she won't let me get her, but I'll show you what she's got too. We both got the Seaside Trio, and she's having her nice little virgin drink.
Strawberry daiquiri.
Okay, strawberry daiquiri. Maybe just sneak peek. There you go. Okay. We're gonna eat now. Okay, we are finished with our lunch and we are about to dig in. This is so well deserved. Go ahead, girl. I don't care. I'm broke.
And that's his name.
Okay, you're about to be broke. You're about to have a broke nose in a minute. Okay, now we're at the dollar store. Should I get something to put Nick's candy in? No. Look at that dog cookie jar. Do I still have, did we throw my pans away? Like my Christmas pans? Look at those Christmas bowls. Give him one of those. Get one of these. I know you're not ignoring me. You better. There. That's how much is that? $3. Look at that. There. Oh look, let's get these. These are only $2. I'm broke, people. Honey's in there too. There. That's their fudge bowls. Oh yeah. Right, look at this. Go, 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 go. We need some Hershey's Kisses. I need stuff to do their laundry into. Alright, now we're off to go make fudge and cookies. After our nap. We gonna nap?
Yes. Who did this? Mother, did you do this?
Focus. What? What is it?
Tissue paper.
I did. Merry Christmas to you guys. Today is, I get smacked in the mouth all the time. I get bumped in the mouth all the time. Today is Christmas Eve. It is about noon. I've been up since, I don't know, 6:30, 7 o'clock in the morning trying to get some last minute things done because we celebrate our Christmas because my kids are older on Christmas Eve. So we got a lot going on this evening. Sorry I haven't really been vlogging a lot. Been super busy. And I got a couple of them coming out there. They're past vlogs, but whatever. You still get to see me, so hey, it's all good. But anyway, today what we're getting ready to do is I'm going to do a very simple lemon cake because we're chocolated out. Can't believe I said that, but yeah, we're chocolated out. Because I usually make my homemade chocolate cake, but I've got so much. We made cookies the other night. Homemade Christmas cookies, and then I've already made 2 big containers of peanut butter fudge, which is absolutely phenomenal. If you guys are looking for a fabulous old-fashioned recipe for stovetop peanut butter fudge. This is not the stuff you stick in the microwave because there is no, there's just no, whatever it is for, you know, the knockoff stuff. This is absolutely delicious fudge. Very easy to make once you get it down. You know, fudge is something that takes a while to get it down, really get it down, but once you get that down to making that, it is phenomenal. I'm telling you what, it's actually, I offered my husband a piece a few minutes ago. He's like, oh, I'm not ready for that kind of high yet, but it's like crack. I'm telling you, like crack. We're gonna do a very simple lemon cake. I'm tired of doing homemade stuff, so I'm cheating today. So we're going to do a super moist lemon cake. I got the lemon here, and we're also going to use a container of lemon pudding, and I'm also going to add some sour cream to it. And just for a little bit of extra goodness, I ran out to the store today. Had to park 10,000 miles away for a lemon, but hey, it is what it is. We're going to use a little bit of zest of a lemon. I hope you guys are having an amazing holiday season. I just hope the best for all you guys. I just hope your heart is just exploding as mine is, as always, and my bank account's exploding. I'm poor, so if you need, I gotta go get a P.O. box set up. So if y'all want to send me any, you know, cashy washy, I'm just kidding. She's looking at me. You know I'm kidding. You know I'm kidding. But I'm gonna get my cake together, and I'll show you what it looks like. It's very simple, and I'll tell you what I did. I'm gonna see how it turns out first before I let you know. But I'll show you what it looks like when I get done with it. Here's the finished project of my beautiful lemon cake. We have already had dinner, and they're anxiously waiting to open presents. Let's go in the living room to show you all the presents. We have gates and everything because we have all kinds of dogs here. Oh, sorry. I'm like, hello. Okay, the presents are like everywhere. This is ridiculous. I cannot believe that I bought all this stuff. Let's focus. Let's focus. Look at all this stuff. This is crazy. This is oh, I'm smashing my finger. Can you see? Look at this. This is crazy. They go all the way around to my laundry basket over there. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Look at all. They're everywhere. They're everywhere. It's crazy. This is what I work hard for every year, to provide for my family. And had a couple glasses of wine, a couple beers. But I hope you guys all have a very Merry Christmas, and I promise I will be back in full force with lots and lots of recipe videos and more vlogging after Christmas. So Merry Christmas, you guys. You know I love you all so very much. Happy holidays. Be safe, and I'll see you soon. Bye.